Broadcasting Network. Buenos dias, CELA family. I'm Mrs. Buchanan, and today is Monday, February 1st, 2021. Today is the first day of Black History Month. Black History Month is an annual celebration of achievements by African Americans and a time for recognizing their central role in U.S. history. Since 1976, every American president has designated February as Black History Month and endorsed a specific theme. This year's theme is the Black family, representation, identity, and diversity, which explores the wide-ranging diversity of Black family life. From single to two-parent households to nuclear, extended, and most recently biracial. Throughout American history, the Black community has always exhibited an unwavering understanding of the value of family as an incomparable source of comfort, strength, and even survival. Black History Month is a perfect time to honor past African American achievements, unite in the present, and inspire everyone to believe in the power of a dream as we join together to shape the future. Today's also International Day of Black Women in the Arts. We will meet some inspiring African American women artists today, from painters to authors. You can celebrate this day by reading and learning about Black women in the fine arts, performing arts, literary, culinary, and healing arts.
Happy Monday, guys! Today we're celebrating International Black Women in the Arts Day. And the reason we celebrate this day is because even though Black women have been participating and creating arts for centuries, the art world hasn't been the most inclusive space. So today I would like to show you different artists, visual artists, dance, filmmakers, writers. Here we go.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
The weather forecast today is cloudy with a high of 43 and a low of 32. Chilly. Don't forget to sign up for CMS Eats at Home. Check out our Facebook page or Class Dojo for information. Or you can sign up at the web address shown on the screen. Staff members, keep sending your videos in. Videos could be of yourselves or of your classes. We know fabulous things are happening out there, so share them with us. Que Pasa CELA is up next.
Good morning, boys and girls. I'm Mrs. Lang, here with your Alpha Wolf of the Week winner for Monday. This week's K2 Alpha Wolf is Elliot Vargas. Mrs. Wegner nominated Elliot because Elliot comes to all his classes with a great attitude and is always ready to learn. He always tries his best and has a good attitude. Elliot is kind to his classmates and always offers to help when a friend is having trouble. Whether it's trouble with a lesson or trouble with technology, he always offers to help out. Elliot is a funny, interesting, and just all-around cool kid. He definitely has pack pride. Way to go, Elliot! Congratulations!
Good morning. This is Ms. Nelson, one of your school counselors, and today is the first day of National School Counseling Week. Our focus for this week is perseverance. which is when you continue to work towards achieving something despite obstacles, failure, and opposition. And one way to persevere is to collaborate or work cooperatively with others. In the Marvel's Avengers, Nick Fury says, there was an idea to bring together a group of remarkable people to see if we could do something more. Like the Avengers coming together to work towards a common goal or tackle a challenge, you can work with your peers, your teachers, or your family to achieve a goal in your community, to support one another, or even do something remarkable. It's easier to persevere when you have someone working alongside you. As your school counselor, I'm here to help you work on the skills that will help you persevere so that you can pursue all of your dreams. Think about how you can collaborate with someone to achieve something that matters to you.
Hey, CELA Middle School students, how are you doing? Well, I'm Senor Cotto, and I'm here to tell you that this week you can earn 100 points for your house. Let me tell you the details. Okay, guys, based on the information that I have right here, all you have to do this week is show off your talents, show off your hobbies. What do you like to do after school or maybe on weekends? Do you like to swim? Do you like to play soccer? Do you like to do gymnastics? Do you like to draw? Do you like to create animated videos or review books or maybe review movies? Let us know, guys. Make a 15-second long video and upload it to your house Google Classroom or send it to your teacher. For this week's challenge, as an example, I created a poster with Scooby-Doo and Shaggy. These two are my favorite cartoon characters. So, let me show you the process of how I created this poster. Alright guys, I had a great time making this video for you. I just want to show off my hobby. I want to show my talents. Well, I want to see a lot of videos this week. I want to see you guys creating. I want to see you guys being creative, alright? Enjoy this week. Please, make videos for your houses, alright? Enjoy the week.
and Dottie. Peekaboo is so cute. What a great name for a turtle, because turtles pull their heads in and out of their shells. It's like they're playing peekaboo. You guys came up with a perfect name for him. I didn't know that they live 40 to 50 years. That's a long time for a pet. You obviously researched the turtle's needs to see what he eats and how to take care of him, which means you're both being responsible pet owners. Thanks for sharing him with us and teaching us about him. Keep sending your videos to Mr. Perez at the address shown on the screen. Now for a CELA Junior moment.
Hola, señora Chávez. Este es mi libro de Book Creator. ¿Cuál es el mejor invento? Escrito e ilustrado por Jonathan Hernández. Yo pienso que el mejor invento es el robot porque ayuda a las personas enfermas. El robot se mueve con motores para ayudar a las personas. Yo pienso que el mejor invento es el Robot porque ayuda a las personas enfermas que se sientan mejor. Los robots son muy importantes porque los robots son inteligentes para ayudar a las personas. El robot ayuda a las personas enfermas para que otros niños no se enfermen, porque si se enferman será muy malo. Bye.
Riddle, riddle, riddle time, riddle time, riddle time. Yesterday's riddle. If the red house is on the right side and the blue house is on the left side, where's the White House? If the red house is on the right side and the blue house is on the left side, where's the White House? This one was so hard. I'm not sure that any of you were able to get it. What? You know the answer? It was easy? Yeah, right. What is it then? Well, what's the answer? You are right. The White House is in Washington, D.C. You guys are so smart. It's impressive. The smartest people I ever did know. The smartest people I've ever met. All right. Let's see if you're going to get tomorrow's riddle or today's riddle. Let's see if you're going to get it. All right. You ready for it? So, what is the exact middle of America? What is the exact middle of America? See if you're going to get this one. Good luck. Better track, baby duck. Gotta